Hey guys, just wanted to bring you a little update on things been going on here in the shop. I've been hard at work on the 86 Monte Carlo, getting the paint stripped off of it, front end sanded, and all the little areas that are popping up as far as needing some slight repairs done before I do my primer coat. So as you can see, I've got this car stripped down all the way around. Trunk done, left side done. I got that dent fixed over here. This side done. I got the front end sanded. Found a lot of little marks on the hood I fixed. And all we got left to do is the front bumper cover. And I'm going to wait on that because I think I'm going to wet sand that out, because all it needs to be is sealed and then repainted. So we've been hard at work on this, and I also got the Chevelle back in the shop. Got a punch list of things to finish up on this car. The owner has decided to pull the plug on this one. He's got other projects that he wants to finish, and this car needed a little bit more work to it than what he thought, but I got to finish up the wiring, wire up the wiper motor. Check my alternator output. Seems to be running a little strong on the alternator, and I got the dash to put back together in it, and a couple other interior pieces need to go back in. Seam seal up on the back where I did the panel. Probably give it another coat of primer, and we'll send this one home. So if you're interested, this car will be for sale. It just needs some detail work to really have it finished out to be a nice car. It's had a lot of stuff done to it already. Quarters, floor pan, door skins, you name it. It's had a lot of stuff done to it. It is an original SS car. It was originally equipped with a 327 3-speed on the column. It now has a 454 with a 4-speed in it. So it'd be a fun little car to buy as a cruiser. So if you're interested in that, leave me a note in my comments and I can put you in touch with the owner, and you could possibly be taking this one home. We also brought the 1980 Ford F350 up to start work on this one, and it's a good thing he got it here when he did, because when I went to move it and bring it up here, I found it had a brake line that popped going to the rear brakes. So I think it just happened when I went to move it this morning. I don't think it happened on his way here. He'd have known. So we're gonna go ahead and put a parts list together for this truck and start on detrimming it. We'll get some of the mechanical items straightened out on it. It needs a good cleaning under the hood. We're going to do some hoses and just regular maintenance items. I'll probably go through the carburetor because it was not working very well this morning. Needs a good cleaning and a rebuild kit put in it. And we're going to go through all of that stuff, get the oil leaks fixed. We'll do a good pressure washing under the hood, get everything cleaned up. And like I said, start taking the trim off so we can start working on the body work on this one. So this one will be out here getting worked on, while the Chevelle is getting finished up in here. And then we're going to play musical chairs with everything, because we need to get the Monte Carlo into the booth and get some epoxy primer and some surface primer on it so that we can move forward with that. So basically that's where I've been for the past couple weeks, is working on the Monte Carlo. The last video I put out was actually about 2 weeks ago that I finished that one up. And this has been taking a little bit longer than I wanted because I can't work on it every day. Sanding every day just does a number on my wrists, so I have to alternate what I'm working on, which is why I brought the Chevelle in. So I can take a break and work on that for a day, then go back to sanding on this car. But you know, that's how it goes. So everybody that's subscribed, I appreciate it, especially all my friends from the Brewer Nation. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys really gave me a little boost there in my subs. Share this with all your friends. Maybe they'll like what I'm doing too and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification once you do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like my stuff, leave me some comments, and let's help my channel grow so I can get moved to that next level with YouTube. Again, I appreciate everyone that's been watching, and I will see you again soon.